Hello students, कैसे हैं? Students, in this series we are going to start our NCERT Maths 6th class solution. और ये जो हमारी सीरीज होगी, वीडियो होंगे, ये हमारी NCERT 6th class मैथ्स के सॉल्यूशन के बेस पे होंगे. Okay, so let's start our first exercise 1.1 of the chapter 6th class maths. Okay, let's start. In this chapter, what you have to study or what you have to do, the main thing is the nomenclature, or we can say numeration, number naming. Okay, इस चैप्टर में जो मेन चीज है वो हमारी है नंबर नेमिंग, कि हमें किस तरह से इंडियन सिस्टम में और किस तरह से इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में नंबर्स को डिनोट करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 1 lakh equal to 10,000. So first of all you have to know, or you should know, how we write the number names in the international system. In international system there are 4 periods. Once, thousand, million, and billion. Okay, in these 4 periods there are 3 places in each period. इनके अंदर 3 places होते हैं. What are those? First is unit, tens, 100. ओके, इसमें 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. okay, in this million, 10 million, 100 million, and in this period there are 3 places: billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. okay, so these are the places, and so these are the periods: ones, thousand, million and billion, and these are the places in each period. 3 places in each period: unit, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. okay, these are the places of international system. Now what we have to do, 1 lakh equal to how many 10,000? So first you have to write 1 million, 1 lakh. One lakh. So what you have to count now? 10,000s. How you will count? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It means there are 10,000s. 10,000 makes 1 lakh. 1000 means 3 places, and 10,000 means 4 places or 4 digits. If there are 10,000, 10 multiplied by 10,000, what it will make? 1 lakh. okay, so if we multiply 10,000, then it will make 1 lakh. clear? So what we can write here? 10 lakh, 10,000 makes 1 lakh. clear? The next, 1 million. In the case of million, you will write in the international number system 1 million. 1 million. okay, this is 1 million, and you have to find out the 100,000. What is 100,000? This is the 100,000 place. It means 10 100,000 makes 1 million. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. If we multiply 10 by 100,000, then it will be 1 million. So answer will be the 10 100,000. Okay. So next, 1 crore. 1 crore means ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore means 10 million. Okay. Or 1 crore makes how many 10 lakh? This is the 10 lakh places. 1 million equal to 10 lakh. Okay. So this is the 10 lakh place, and how many tens are there? How many 10 lakh are there? 10. Okay. It means 10 lakh. 10 lakh makes 1 crore. 1 crore के अंदर कितने lakh होंगे? 10 lakh होंगे 10. Okay. Next digit is 1 crore equal to how many millions? 1 crore. Okay. 1 crore. This is 1 crore. And how many millions? This is the million place. Okay. How many millions are there? 10 millions. 10 millions make 10 crore. Okay. 10 lakh equal to 1 million. यहाँ भी same thing है. This is the same thing. 10 lakh equal to 1 million. It means 10 lakh equal to 10 million. So 1 crore में 10 lakh होंगे और 10 million होंगे. Is that clear? Next is 1 million. This is our 1 million. Equal to how many lakhs? We have told you 10 lakhs. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. It means there will be the 10. Okay. So this is our first question of exercise 1.1 of chapter 6 and class 6. Okay. Next question is, this is your statement. So you have to first write this in the numbers, and you have to put the commas at appropriate or correct place. Okay. So 73 lakh. What you will do? You will do it in, you can say 73 lakh means this is our Indian system. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 73 lakh. 75,000. 307. Okay. So where you put the commas, you will put the commas in in Indian system, number system. We put the commas at first 3 places, then on 2 places. Okay. Like this. You will write the last 3 digit. First you will take the last 3 digits and put the comma. Then again 2 digits, put the comma. Then again 2 digits. बस लास्ट वाली 3 डिजिट्स पे पहले कॉमा रखेंगे हम, उससे आगे फिर हम 2 डिजिट पे कॉमा लगाते हैं इन इंडियन सिस्टम. और इन इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम देयर आर 3 places in each period, but in Indian system there are, in the first period there are 3 places, ones, tens, 100. Okay. Next periods have 2 places, 1000, 10,000, and next places also have 2. Next period have also 2 places, lakh, 10 lakh, 1000, 10,000, ones, 100, ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, this like this. So you will put the first comma before the first three digits. After that, two digits. Okay. If there is only one digit, then you will put the comma here and let it go. जो बाद में बचेगा उसको हम ऐसे ही रखेंगे, दो हो चाहे यहाँ पे एक हो. Okay. So what is the conclusion? We can say in Indian system you will put the commas in first period at before three places, in second period before two places, and in last next period before two places. Okay. So the answer will be 73 lakh 75,307. This will be the answer. Next is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. This is our number. First write it in numbers. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. So 9 crore, 9 crore. 5 lakh, 10 lakh place is vacant. यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. Means 5 lakh. 41 only on the tens place and ones place. The remaining place will be the 0. Okay. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Put the commas. What we have told in Indian system, there on the first period there will be the three digits or three places. So put the comma here. Next on two places. Okay. So this will be the correct answer. Clear? Next is 7 crore 52 lakh. 7 crore 52 lakh. 21,000. 21,302. 302. So 7 crore. First ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 7 crore 52 lakh and 2100 3,002 302. Okay, is that clear? So now put the places on first comma will be on before three places, then on two places, then on two places. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, इसका आंसर हमारा ये होगा. Next 58 million. So first you will write the places. Ones, tens, hundred, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, so 58 million, 23,000, 423,000, 200, 2. 202. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now we know that in international system there are 4 periods and each period has 3 places. So we will put the comma on 3 places in each group. First, second. So this will be the answer. Next is 23 lakh 30,001. अब क्या करना है हमें? This is also the international system. 23 lakh 30,001. We can say, or we can write it in Indian system also. 23 lakh ones, hundred, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and lakh. Okay. 23 lakh 30,001. Okay. So this will be the number, and where we will put the comma on first, second. Okay. In the last one period we will put on 3 places, before 3 places, on next period on 2 places, on 2 places. Okay. So this will be the answer of that question. Next is, this is our third question. In this part we have to do insert commas suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. इसमें क्या करना है हमें कि इसके अंदर सही प्लेस पे कॉमा लगाना है और इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग इनको लिखना भी है, इनके नंबर नेम्स लिखने हैं. तो फर्स्ट वी विल डू द इंसर्टिंग ऑफ कॉमास. कॉमा कहाँ इंसर्ट करना है पहले वो करेंगे हम. इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ए पार्ट 87595762. In Indian system, you know that first we will put a comma on before third places, next on 2 places. Okay, so first we will put on before 3 places, then 2, then 2. Okay, this is the commas, इंसर्टिंग ऑफ कॉमा. कि ये हमने कॉमा इसमें इंसर्ट कर दिया. कॉमा इस तरह से इंसर्ट करेंगे. नाउ वी विल राइट इट्स नंबर नेम. वंस, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. First is 8 crore. Two places, 75 lakh. Next 2 places, 95,000. Thousand. 700. 62. So this is our number names. Okay. 8 crore, 75 lakh, 95,762. Okay. Is that clear? Next is 8546,283. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So insert the commas on before 3 places, then two places. Okay, now what is this? Lakh. 85 lakh. Next is thousand. 46,000. Thousand. 283. This is our number system. Clear? Next is 9990004 6. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, commas on before three places, then two places, then two places. 9 crore, 99 lakh. ये फर्स्ट इज करोड़, देन lakh, 99 lakh, 1000 place is vacant, 00, and that is also vacant, 46. ओके, जहां भी जीरो होगी वहां पे हम कुछ नहीं लिखते, वो वैकेंट रहता है हमारा. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज 98432701. ओके, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Again on before three places, two places, two places. Clear? Now number names. 9 crore. करोड़ प्लेस पे क्या है? 9. सो 9 करोड़. 10 lakh प्लेस पे 84 lakh. 1000 प्लेस पे 32,000. 1. Okay, so this is our number name. So this is our fourth question. In this question, what you have to do, insert the commas suitably and write the names according to the international system. इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग इनके अंदर कॉमा इंसर्ट करना है, एंड वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द नंबर नेम्स आल्सो. ओके, so first we have to know the international number system. In international number system there are four places: ones place, thousand place, million place, and billion place. Billion period, sorry. Okay, in these periods there are three places in each period: billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Billion, 10 million, 100 million. Thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Unit place, tens place, 100 place. Okay, so these are the places in this period, in these periods. Okay, according to the international number system. Now we have to write down this. What is this? 2 9 0 1 2 9 8 7. Okay, so this is our international number system according to this. Now put the commas. We will put the comma on the place. First, before three places. Second, again three places, because there are three places in each period. So we will put the comma on three places. इनके अंदर थ्री प्लेस होते हैं सभी पीरियड्स में, तो कॉमा भी हम कहाँ लगाएंगे, थ्री प्लेसेस पे लगाएंगे. नाउ वी विल राइट द नेम्स. दिस वन, देयर इज 78 million. In million period, what is there? 78. 78 million. Okay, what is in thousand place? 921. 21,000. Okay, again on ones place, there is 100 place is vacant, so only 92. This is our number name. 78,000, 78,921,921,000, and in one's place there is only 92, so we write 92. Okay, like this. Next question is, you can write, if you are feeling difficulty in writing the question or answer, you can pause the video and you can write it. Okay, next is, three places one. It means 7,452,000 and 283. We will write this like one. Okay, put the comma here, here. Okay, so in million place, what is 7? 7 million. 452. 52,000. 283. Okay, this is the commas. Okay, next question is, 1, 2, 3. It means 99,985,102. Okay, so put the comma on first three, second three, and these are the two meanings. What is in million place? 99. 99 million 985,000 85,000 5 thousand 985,100. 99 million, million place पे क्या है, million period में क्या है, 99. So 99 million in thousand period में 985,000, and in one's period 102. Okay, so this is our fourth part. Next is process is 48 9831. So put the comma on three places. Okay. So in million period there are 48 million. Million. 100 place is vacant. 49,000. 800. 131. Okay. So this is our last question. So students, this is our first exercise of chapter first of class 6 maths. Now if you like this video, you can share and subscribe our channel. For more related videos, we are going to start the next series only on basis of NCERT maths and science. Okay, the solution and the chapter explanation will be there in all the videos. Okay, thank you.